Hey guys! Very often, communication between designers and clients or fellow colleagues is via email or some other project management software. And when you want to explain your issue, you start writing down long messages to make sure you state your case. Sometimes this exchange of messages can continue for quite some time. So in today's episode, I'll give you a great solution on how to review designs faster with video communication. The best way to review a design and make sure your designer got you right is when you're both sitting next to each other and discussing the design. But when you are in, let's say, New York and your designer is in Italy, for example, sitting next to each other becomes a bit difficult. So your best alternative is to communicate via video messages and share recordings of your screen. And one of the best screen recorders on the web is definitely ScreenRec. ScreenRec is an awesome lightweight software that will record your screen or will create a screenshot in seconds. Installation is really easy. Just go to screenrec.com, download the app and follow the installation wizard. Double-click on the icon to enter the settings. Make sure you create a free account so that you can use all the cool features like unlimited recording and links sharing. Now, let's say your designer has just sent you a Facebook cover for your upcoming promotion, but you want to make some corrections. Open the design and hit Alt+S. This will activate ScreenRec. Select the area you want to capture and click on the video camera button. Your recording will start immediately. Since your mic and computer audio will also be recorded, you can simply start explaining your suggestions to your designer. Once you're done, click again Alt+S or the stop button. And here is the best part. You don't have to download or upload anything. Your instant shareable link will be waiting for you and you can paste it anywhere. This way, you'll spare yourself the time of writing a long message and it will be much easier for your designer to understand what and where you want to be altered. That was all for today. I hope this video was useful to you, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.